Good evening, my fellow Americans. This evening, I'm here to talk about shitbirds. And you know what I mean. Swag, killing, copying, cock, blocking shitbirds. Little Jimmies. And for those of you who are just tuning in that don't know what I'm referring to, this is a shitbird. Can you see? Better? Farther? Jimmy McMillan. Mr. The Rent is Too Damn High guy. He's a shitbird. He will copy your swag, steal your girl, or attempt to steal your girl, and lie. For lies. Like he ain't trying to be like you. He trying to be like the Andrews movement. Now I understand, like I said, the Andrews movement is the shit. We are a movement. Hashtag define. Hashtag forever. Hashtag the shit. So I understand why he would steal my swag and my amazing, beautiful glasses. But Jimmy, you can never have this gorgeous complexion. You can never have this jawline. Jimmy, you just ugly as hell. You cannot be like me. As much as you try, as much as you dream, you cannot be like me. You're old as hell. You wrinkled. You don't know how to do your hair. The little bit of hair that you have left on your head, you got more of those little balls on your chin than your head. You cannot be like me, Jimmy. It's okay. The Andrews campaign, we were going to stop. We were going to give y'all a chance. We were going to let you have your opportunity to shine. But now it's on. I'm turning my shining bright back on, motherfucking bright as fuck. 5,000 LED candle power now. Now it's on. Jimmy. Back to you, Jimmy.